Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Teachable account. To sign out or log out of Teachable, first of all get to the home page of Teachable. Here I've already logged into my Teachable account. To sign out, go ahead and click on this little three dots at the bottom left corner and click on the Logout button. But remember that you must enter your password and email in times you want to get back to your account and log in again. So make sure you have your credentials remembered. If you do, click on the log out button and you will be redirected to the main home page for Teachable. That is how you log out of Teachable account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.